He's a farmer now. Farmer Dagwong.
Hey,
Hey Mahal,
I'm harvesting.
what can you see about this tallest
This grass has got
grass?
seeds in it. I'm harvesting it for feed, fodder for the livestock.
This
Use
is for our guinea pig, Pachi and Peanut.
And the chickens too. The chickens eat the seeds. The guinea pigs eat the grass.
Yeah.
You probably should plant some of the seed too. Okay?
Yeah, but no need. We have a lot clover seeds in the house. Oh, be careful.
Oi.
Oi. Back of your house,
Yeah.
there's something growing like that, like rice.
Did
It's
you plant
like
it?
rice terraces now.
Did you plant it?
No, I'm not. They grow because this is grass. I think from last time
When you plant those hay things there?
did you plant this one?
This? No, I didn't plant that.
So where did it come from?
This? This is probably what the grass looks like if you don't cut it.